अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने जो पार्ट 1 अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का व्हाट्स अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन उसके बारे में हमने लर्न किया। तो हमारा लेक्चर लाइक और अनलाइक टर्म्स लाइक टर्म्स एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स तक हमने पढ़ा था। कल लाइक टर्म्स में हमने ये देखा कि जो का वेरिएबल सेम होगा 2x, 3x, 4x, इन सब का वेरिएबल जो है वो सेम है, तो इनको हम बोलते हैं लाइक टर्म्स। और जिनका वेरिएबल डिफरेंट होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल 5x, 2y, 7z, इनका वेरिएबल जो है वो डिफरेंट है, इनको हम बोलते हैं अनलाइक टर्म्स। और कल मैंने आपको ये बोला था कि ये जो हमें सीखना है, तो क्यों सीखना है, तो कहाँ पे हमें यूज़ करना है, ये हमें यूज़ करना है व्हेन वी हैव टू ऐड द पॉलिनोमियल्स, ऐड द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल्स में हमें ये यूज़ करना है। वहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, हम लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2x प्लस 3x, ये दोनों लाइक टर्म्स है क्योंकि इनका वेरिएबल जो है वो सेम है। 2x प्लस 3x दैट इज इक्वल टू 5x। या अगर अब अनलाइक होगा 2x माइनस 3y, इनको हम ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट ऐसे नहीं कर सकते जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे किया। क्यों? इसमें ये लाइक टर्म्स थे, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, अनलाइक टर्म्स। यानी जिनका वेरिएबल सेम होगा उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, लाइक टर्म्स। जिनका वेरिएबल डिफरेंट होगा उनको हम बोलते हैं अनलाइक टर्म्स। तो ये अनलाइक टर्म्स एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स वी हैव टू यूज इन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। क्लियर? तो इतना समझ में आया होगा। इसके बाद हम एग्जाम्पल देंगे 7x एंड 7y। What they are, like or unlike? They are unlike, they are not like terms. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे वेरिएबल x है, यहाँ पे y है। Here is 5xy, here is also 2xy. Here is the variable xy, here xy. So what they are like. अब ये हमें क्यों सीखना है? Whenever we have to do addition of the algebraic expressions and subtraction of algebraic expressions, at that time we have to use this like and unlike terms. Like terms we have to add, and like terms with like terms. For example, how to add algebraic expression? One example is here, 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. We have to add these two algebraic expressions. First one, we are going to write here 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Clear? Now plus next one, that is 9x. But what is variable here? X. Here where is x? Here. So we have to write this like term. This has having variable x. Say here is also having the variable x. So 9x from this expression and 4x from this expression, they are like terms. So we are going to write downside of 4x, 9x. And now next term of the algebraic expression, that is minus 10. This is constant term. Here we have to find the where is constant. Where is constant? That is here. So downside of this constant, we are going to write this one minus 10. Now what we have to add? We have to add this one algebraic expression and this one algebraic expression. So instead of and, we are going to write here plus. So what we will do? We will add now these two. Clear? So here it is minus 10, here it is 5. Here it is 9x plus, here it is 4x. These two are like, these two are constant terms, and here is 7x square. In another algebraic expression, there isn't anywhere x square. There isn't any term with variable x square. So we are going to write this term downsidely down, directly downside, that is 7x square. Clear, my dear? Now they two are like. We have to add. But upside one term, that is negative. Downward side term, this one 9x, it is positive. So 9x minus 4x, that will be 5x. But we know 9 is greater. It is having the positive sign. So here we are going to write plus sign. Clear, my dear? And now next, here it is minus 10. Here it is plus 5. So we are going to take away minus 10 from plus 5. We know this one is having greater sign. So here this greater number is having greater sign. So here we are going to write minus 10 minus 5, that is minus 5. By this way we can add. Another example is already here. What is another example? How to add algebraic expression. One expression is this: 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Clear, my dear? And now we have to add this one algebraic expression. So first term is here 4yz. Here we have to check where is variable yz, that is here. So this one term we have to write the under 5yz, because this 5yz and 4yz, they have the same variable, so they are like. When they are like, that is why I am going to write this downside of 5yz, that is 4yz. Clear? Now next one is 9zx. Here where is zx? That is here. Is it, my dear? So here is minus 3zx. Downside of 3zx, we are going to write plus 9zx. Why we have written this here? Why not here in the second term? Because they two have same variable. Here it is zx, here it is zx. So this one we have written here. Now another term of the given algebraic expression, that is 4y. But in first one algebraic expression, here isn't anywhere any term with variable y. So we can write this here. Is it clear, my dear? This one we are going to write here. Why? Because here isn't in upside one this one algebraic expression, there isn't any term with variable y. So this we have written separate. Now we have to add these two algebraic expressions. So what we are going to write, 7xy. Here isn't anywhere 7xy. This one directly we are going to write downside. Okay. Now you can see here it is 5yz and downside it is 4yz. They are like. So we are going to add the coefficients. 5 plus 4, that is 9. And here is yz. Downside is also yz. Here also we are going to write yz. Clear? Now next, here it is minus, here it is plus. This one is having the greater sign, 9 is having the positive sign, 3 is having the negative sign. So here we are going to write the positive sign. Now we have to subtract the coefficients. Why we have to subtract the coefficients? Already we have learned that these two have the same variable. They are like terms. So 9 minus 3, that is 6, and the variable is zx. And this one we are going to write directly downside for y. By this way we can add the algebraic expressions. Now we learn how to add two algebraic expressions, and now we are going to learn how to subtract two algebraic expressions. Example is here. We have to subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. This one we have to subtract from this one. As already you know, in the primary classes we learn, if we have to subtract 4 from 8, 4 from 8, what we were doing? Upside 8, downside 4, and here subtraction sign. Here subtraction. Then 8 minus 4, 4. Same way we are going to do here. what we have to do? We have to subtract this one algebraic expression from this one algebraic expression. So what we will do? We are going to write this one first. That is here 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. We have written this one algebraic expression upside. Now we have to write this one algebraic expression downside. But we have to keep like terms in same column. Like here it is 7x square. Here the variable is y x square. Same way from the first expression, where is x square? Here. So this 5x square we are going to write downside of this. Is it clear, my dear? And now, what is second one term? That is 4y square. In first one algebraic expression, we have to find where is y square. That is here. So this one term we have to write here, because these two have the same variable. They are like terms. Here we are going to write 4y square but minus. Clear? Why we have written? These two have same variable. Now next is 6y. Here we have to check where is y. Which term has the variable y? That is here. So 6y we are going to write here downside here 6y. Clear? And now 5x square we have written. 4y square we have written under y square. 6y we have written. Now is constant term here 3 minus 3. But that isn't anywhere in first fraction. So what we will do? That minus 3 we are going to write here. Why? Because this is constant term. Because this is constant term. So we have written this here. Now what we will do? Say directly we can't subtract. Why? Because we have to subtract this from this. The term which has the positive sign, that will become negative because of this 8 minus 4. Means all these terms we have to multiply with first negative sign. Their sign changes because we have to do the subtraction. So it is positive, this one will become negative. Because of this sign, just now we have learned that how to subtract if a4 from 8. That is 8 minus 4. Here we have written minus. Same way, these all terms we have to multiply with negative, minus, subtraction. So this is positive, this one will become negative. Here it is negative, this will become positive. This one is positive, this one will become negative. This one is negative, this one will become positive, because we have to subtract this from this. That is why this whole algebraic expression we have multiplied it with the minus, subtraction, negative sign. And now, which one was positive? That one will become negative. Which one was negative? That one will become positive. It is because of subtraction. Now, 7x square minus 5x square, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Here we are going to write x square. Now here is 4xy. Here isn't anywhere. So here we are going to write directly this one, 4xy. Now next, this positive, this one is also now positive. So 8 plus 4, that is 12y square. 8 plus 4, 12y square. And here is 5x. Here isn't, so this one directly we are going to write down here, 5x. Now you can see, these both are negative. That is 6, 3. That will become 9, but sign will remain negative, that is 9y. Already we have learned in integers. Now this plus 3 we are going to write here. Is it clear, my dear? By this way we can do subtraction of algebraic expressions. And in our next lecture we are going to complete exercise 9.1 algebraic expression maths textbook. Exercise number 9.1. Inshallah, tomorrow we are going to solve that very exercise. What are the questions there? Which concepts we have learned? All concepts are related with exercise 9.1. Allah Hafiz.